Next one, practice set 3.3, question number 6. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. So first try to understand the question here. Sum of. So immediately we have to think the formula is Sn. And sum of first 55 terms. So imagine there is an AP, there is a sequence 1 2 3. Here so many terms are there, first term, second term, third term, like this. Total how many terms are there? 55 terms are there. So we can say that n is equal to, we can consider 55 as n. Number of terms, how many terms are there? 55 terms are there in AP. So 55 terms, 55 we considered as n. So number of terms. So in solution given. So number of terms in an AP. In an AP, n is equal to 55. Next, here sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. That means whatever sequence 55 terms, the sum of all these terms, actually terms not given here, but sum of, by adding these all terms, what will be the sum? 3300 by adding these all terms. Okay, so sum is Sn is equal to 3300. And one more thing you focus here, n is equal to 55. So here 55 terms are there and sum of 55 terms are 3300. So here instead of n we will write 55. So S55, sum of 55 terms is equal to 3300. Okay, this much given in the question, and it is asked to find, here it is asked to find its 28th term. So in the given sequence, in the 28th position, what will be the term? That we will find. So 28th position is T28 is equal to what? T28 asked to find here. So before applying Tn formula, we apply Sn formula here, because the information given about sum. So Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Here Sn, what we have information here, S55. So S55 is equal to, in the place of n we have 55. So 55 n by 2, 55 by 2 into 2a. A is not given, 55 is n minus 1 into d also not given. So next, in the place of S55, what is the value of S55 here? 3300. So in the place of S55 we substitute 3300 is equal to 55 by 2 into 2a plus 55 minus 1 54, 54d. So in the next step, here 3300 is equal to 55 by 2 into, here inside a bracket, in the first term we have 2a and second term is 54d. A and d are variables, but 2 and 54, in 2 and 54 we can take 2 as common. 2 and 54 divisible with same table 2, is it? So table 2 we are taking out of the bracket. So inside a bracket remains, see the first term, in 2a already 2 is taken out. So what remains here? A plus 54. 2 how many times 54? 54 divide 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 4, 7s are. So 2 27 times 54 d. Next step, So here bracket means multiplication. So 3300 is equal to, here we can cancel this 2 and remains 55 a plus 27d. Next, in the next step, 55, this is multiplication. Now we are taking this 55 to left side of equal sign. So what happens here? 3300 comes as it is, and 55, while taking this side, it comes in the denominator. Divide 55. So this is equal to, here it remains a plus 27d, and 55 and 33. It can be divisible with 11 to table 11. 11 3s are 33 and 0 2 zeros. 11 5s are 55. Next, again 300 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5. 5 6 times 30 and 0. Therefore 60 is equal to a plus 27d. So here, so therefore a plus 27d is equal to 60. Consider this as equation 1. Next we are taking formula t. Actually here it is asked to find t28, 28th term. So t28 asked to find. So we will use tn formula here. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So n is 28 here is equal to a plus 28 minus 1 d. A and d not given. So next, therefore t28 is equal to value of a not given. 28 minus 1 is 27d. Now look at this. Here t28 is equal to a plus 27d. We know the value of a plus 27d, that is 60. Correct? So in the place of a plus 27d, we can substitute 60. Therefore t28 is equal to 60. So value of 28th term is 60. And what is the, while substituting 60 in the place of a plus 27, here we write the reason from equation 1. So therefore the 28th term is, the 28th term is 60. Conclusion.